Imagine a world where architectural brilliance was born under the azure skies, amidst the rugged mountains and the sparkling Aegean Sea. Welcome to ancient Greece. Here, the seeds of design were sown, sprouting into the Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian orders that would shape the face of architecture across the globe. This was no ordinary era. It was an epoch of innovation, where form met function in a harmonious dance. The Greeks didn't just build structures, they sculpted masterpieces that would echo through the annals of time. Behind every towering column, under every massive lintel, there's a tale waiting to be told. Each stone, each curve whispers the narrative of a civilization that was, and still is, the bedrock of architectural brilliance. Let's journey back to the age of Pericles, to the heart of Athens, where the Parthenon stands tall. The Parthenon, a masterpiece of Doric architecture, is not just a temple dedicated to Athena, the goddess of wisdom and warfare. It is an embodiment of the Athenians' innovative spirit. The columns, subtly leaning inwards, create an optical illusion of straight lines. This, my friends, is the epitome of perfect imperfection, a testament to the Greeks' understanding of human perception. Now let's wander to the oracle's home at Delphi, where the Temple of Apollo proudly resides. Unlike the Parthenon, this sanctuary, with its 6 columns at the front and back, is a stunning example of the Ionic order. The Temple of Apollo was more than just a place of worship. It was a beacon of hope, a source of divine wisdom for those seeking answers. Its architectural grandeur mirrored the importance of the oracle's prophecies in shaping Greek society. Next, descend into the heart of Athens again, to the theatre of Dionysus, the birthplace of drama. Carved into the southern slope of the Acropolis, this open-air theatre could seat nearly 17,000 spectators. Imagine the anticipation, the excitement of the crowd as they waited for the next performance. The theatre was more than just an entertainment venue. It was a social and political hub, reflecting the vibrant cultural life of ancient Greece. These aren't just buildings. They're stories in stone, etching the heart of a civilization onto the canvas of time. They stand as enduring reminders of a society that valued wisdom, sought divine guidance, and reveled in the joy of artistic expression. These majestic monuments are not mere remnants of the past. They continue to inspire, to captivate, and to bear witness to the timeless beauty of ancient Greek architecture. The architectural marvels of ancient Greece are not mere relics of the past, but timeless testaments to human ingenuity. Just imagine, centuries ago, without the aid of modern technology, the Greeks sculpted stone into iconic structures that have withstood the test of time. Their techniques and principles, innovative and groundbreaking, have shaped the world of architecture as we know it today. Consider the Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian orders. These are the classical orders of ancient Greek architecture, each with its distinct style and elegance, setting the foundation for architectural design for millennia. These styles were more than just aesthetic choices. They represented the Greeks' understanding of proportion, symmetry, and harmony. Let's not forget the Greeks' pioneering use of mathematical principles. They understood that architecture was not just about building structures. It was about creating spaces that were pleasing to the eye and the soul. The golden ratio, a mathematical concept discovered and utilized by the Greeks, is still seen in architectural designs today. And how about the influence of Greek architecture? It's truly global. From the United States Capitol inspired by the Parthenon to the Pantheon in Rome, a testament to the grandeur of the Corinthian order, Greek architectural principles have left an indelible mark on structures around the world. Even today, the architectural brilliance of ancient Greece continues to inspire, influence, and intrigue. The sun may have set on ancient Greece, but the shadow it cast is long and enduring. Even as the millennia have passed, the architectural legacy of this remarkable civilization remains as vibrant as ever, standing tall in the annals of human achievement. Greek architectural principles, steeped in symmetry, proportion, and aesthetic beauty, have been woven into the fabric of modern design. Now, look around, and you'll see echoes of the Parthenon in the grandeur of the US Capitol, a testament to the timeless allure of Doric columns. Not to forget, the iconic British Museum, a sublime ode to the Ionic order and the splendor of the Pantheon, a celebration of Corinthian sophistication. The enduring influence of Greek architecture is not confined to these colossal structures alone. It also resonates in our homes, our cities, and our shared spaces, subtly shaping our perceptions of beauty, harmony, and order. Ancient Greece's architectural marvels are not mere monuments of a bygone era, but beacons lighting the path for future generations of builders, dreamers, and visionaries.